How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon and welcome back to another customer car spotlight. Today we're checking out the car behind me, which is Joe's 2023 Rapid Blue Corvette Z07. This thing's awesome. It's loaded up with Rapid Blue and carbon fiber. So without further ado, come along with me and let's go check this thing out. Like usual, we're starting off here in the front of the car, and the first item is this Carbon Flash Stealth front emblem. That badge looks fantastic up here. It matches all the rest of the Carbon Flash elements on the car. And down below that, he's got the Paragon Performance Z06 front grille guards, which just help give him peace of mind when driving, knowing his Z06 is safe and protected. And down below that, he's got this carbon fiber Z07 front lip, of course, and the carbon fiber canards. I'd say we're off to a pretty good start with the front of the car. Moving wide to the side of this car, of course, you already know, it is lowered. We went ahead and did the Paragon Performance lowering collars up in the front and the turn down with the wrenches in the rear, getting rid of that monster truck ride height that these cars come with from the factory. Brings the fenders a little bit closer down with those GM OEM carbon fiber wheels with the Sticky Cup 2R tires on there. And when you've got sticky tires like that, of course, it's only a matter of time before they kick stuff up. So to protect his Rapid Blue paint here on the side, he went ahead and did the extended splash guards for the Z06 to keep that paint protected and also protect this full carbon fiber side skirt. On top of that side skirt, he's got the 70th anniversary badge because at the end of the day, it is a 2023 model year, which does classify it as the 70th anniversary year. I think that badge is pretty cool. It's nifty, gives you something that you don't see on the cars every day, especially a Rapid Blue one like this. Up above that, he's got the Paragon Performance mirror cap sequential turn signal, which adds that sequential light on the side of your mirror while also blacking it out. And of course, the Paragon Performance wide angle mirrors were a no-brainer, especially with the blue tint. And last but certainly not least on the side, he went ahead and did the carbon fiber gas cap cover to match the OEM carbon fiber wheels and just break up all this blue here on the side of the car. I think overall this is a beautiful side profile on Joe's Rapid Blue Z06. So now, here at the back of the car, he's got this Z07 aggressive carbon fiber wing, which just looks fantastic. And down below that is the Paragon Performance F1 light module. Simple plug and play, adds a nice feature of blinking to the back of that light, lets people behind you know, hey, I'm slowing down here. Underneath that is the Paragon Performance carbon fiber license plate insert, which looks awesome. And when you've got a car that looks this good, well, it's only right it sounds good. That's why he's done the high flow cats from FabSpeed as well as the FabSpeed exhaust, but he upgraded the tips to the carbon fiber ones. And I will be the first to say it, this car is certainly not the quietest Z06 I've heard. And to round us out is, of course, in the trunk, the carbon fiber Eventuri intake with, of course, the blue stripe. And now moving to the inside of Joe's Rapid Blue car, hold on to your hats because there is a lot of blue and a lot of carbon fiber in here. Let's get into it. Starting with the door, we've got the CCS speaker cover, of course, carbon fiber. Down below that is the door lock cover. And moving inside the car now, he's got the gauge cluster, the 3-piece trim, parking brake cover, and heads-up display, all in a beautiful carbon fiber. And now moving to the OEM carbon fiber wheel with some blue accents in there, he's gone ahead and continued with the carbon fiber around his buttons and doohickeys here. And to switch things up from blue, he went ahead and did a red Z mode button and a red start stop button and ring. And now moving to the center here, surrounded by all this blue, he's done carbon fiber in the transmission selector and the mode selector. And up top of that, he's got the reading lamp cover also in a carbon fiber. And finishing out all this carbon fibery goodness inside this interior, we've got the waterfall cover, the speaker cover, and behind the speaker cover, all in a carbon fiber. And last but certainly not least, can't forget it, when you have this much blue and carbon fiber inside your C8, well, The blue carbon fiber key cover is a no-brainer. And there you guys have it. That is going to be a wrap on Joe's 2023 Rapid Blue Z07 Z06. Like I said, that thing is loaded with Rapid Blue and carbon fiber, and oh boy, does it look good. Thank you, Joe, for bringing your car to us all the way from Minnesota to allow us to slightly modify it and give it that OEM Plus kind of look. It looks absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below. Comment and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.